Hey everybody, it's Willie here at Castleberry Shutters, home of the finest plantation shutter that your dollar can buy. People still ask us, do we build our own shutters? We sure do, right here in Woodstock, Georgia. They don't come from Mexico, they don't come from China, they come from Woodstock, Georgia. We build them right here. I'm going to give you a quick little tour so you can see what we're doing. Come on. As you can see, we got lots of guys that work here. They're building plantation shutters. Wooden window treatments for you, and these guys know what they're doing. You can see some of these girls here, they've been here 20, 25 years. They know how to build them right. So let's go on down through here and see some of them. This is Rosa. She's been here for 25 years. Wait, Rosa.
Hello.
She's a staple here. She's going to help build you the best plantation shutters that your money can buy. Come on. They must be talking about something about building shutters. That's Mr. Eugene, the tall guy right there. If he builds your shutters, you can rest assured that they were done right and built tight. Look at him go. He must have built 1,000 of these things. He knows how to do it right. Come on, let me show you the rest of it. Once those guys have those panels built right and tight, they're going to come over here to these girls and they're going to go over these panels with a fine-tooth comb. They're going to look for any flaws, any mistakes that were made. We're going to fix it, get it right before it goes into the paint process. So if it goes into the paint process looking really good, it usually comes out looking even better. Let's go take a peek at that. You need circles? We got circles. You need ovals? We got ovals. Like I said before, if you've got a piece of glass hanging in a wall, Castleberry Shutters has probably got something you can put on it. Let's go see how these guys make them look pretty. I think you can get a little peek through here. That's Jonathan. He's been with us a few years, trained him myself. Got a lot of confidence in him. He's spraying up some of those round ones right now. Once we have them completed, they wind up over here. Welcome to my showroom. This is the finished area. All the product you see here is ready to be installed in someone's home. So you can come into this area, you can touch it, you can feel it, see the quality, feel the quality. What you see is what you get. I don't think there's another shutter company around anywhere that brings you to this area and shows you what actually is going out the back door. We're proud of it. We put our name on it. It's got the best warranty that you can have. So if you've got window covering needs, check us out at castleberryshutters.com. These people we got around here, been here a long time, are going to do you a great job. Come see us. I'm Willie. Come on by. I'll give you your own personal tour. Have a great day.